When running reports on Google Ad Manager, you can choose whether to run the historical report or ad speed report. Let's first discuss the historical report and which important metrics you should pay attention to when doing your ad optimization. If you want to be able to calculate the percentage of your unfilled impressions, go ahead, select Unfilled Impressions and Total Ad Requests. Unfilled impressions are the ads requested but were not filled successfully. Also pay attention to CTR, or click-through rate, to know the percentage of when your users actually clicked on your ads. And also the total active view percent viewable impressions. This tells you how viewable your ads are to the users. An ad is considered viewable if at least 50% is in view for 1 straight second, and for video ads, 50% should be in view and is playing for at least 2 seconds. CTR and viewability are the 2 main important key performance indicators for the advertisers. These 2 metrics are their main basis in assessing how good or how bad their ads perform on your site. Then, make the bidding decision out of that. So always aim to improve your CTR and viewability to improve ad performance or increase your revenues. Next is the total average eCPM. eCPM, or effective CPM, is calculated with an algorithm that Google is using to convert other buying methods like CPC, or cost per click, CPA, or cost per acquisition ads, into CPM so they can all play fair in the auction. So effective CPM is calculated as eCPC, or effective CPC, which is calculated by CPA times the action rate, multiply that by the CTR, or click-through rate, times 1,000, you get the eCPM. You would also want to look at your revenue, and under Dynamic Allocation Opportunity, look at Impressions Not Competing percentage. These impressions are basically not competing with either Ad Exchange or AdSense Dynamic Allocation. If that happens, you're giving that demand partner or ad network unfair advantage even when they don't necessarily throw in the highest bid for a given ad request. Total fill rate is also very important, especially if you're running unified pricing rules in Ad Exchange. Now that unified pricing rules affects almost all your demand partners in your inventory, it is important to pay attention to fill rate. If this is low, then you're leaving money on the table. It's also calculated by taking the total impressions divided by the total ad requests. If you have video demand, you can check out the stats from here. If you have yield group set up, you can check the stats from here. Let's go ahead and check the report type, ad speed. This report tells you if there's a certain creative or tag causing latency on your site, or anything or any reason that's slowing down your site. This is also where you can see reasons for your ads to be non-viewable. This can give you data and provide you some guide on what actions to take next, whether to change the spot of a certain ad unit, disable a creative that's slowing down the site, or address any other issues that could be negatively impacting your site speed.